Millions of people around the world have their lives turned upside down because they are persecuted for believing in a religion.
Religious persecution is a serious issue and yet no one is talking about it. Christians, Muslims, Jews, Hindus, Sikhs and many other religions are suffering on an unimaginable scale. They face extreme violence, unfair discrimination, political hate speech. They even have to leave everything behind.
We would like to introduce you to Barnabas. He is a Christian and lives in IDP camp.
Here at IDP camp, me and my friends, children and wife live here, and it's so upsetting that we had to sleep on the road for 4 days. Me and my friend were at a farm when we suddenly were under attack and he got killed and I got hurt. Everybody here believes in God and there are lots of people here, boys, girls, women and men. Our tent is smaller and a double mattress.
Thank you, Barnabas. I think Barnabas has something to say.
Thank you for listening to my story.
Take some time to reflect on it.